Here is the final cubicle, the final kitchen cupboard. That's as we have the wooden part right there. So the door was painted. The last work, the final work is the polishing or painting of the wood. We are going to paint it, but before then we need to carry out sanding. We are going to carry out sanding of the wooden parts, and then we scrape off some cement on the wooden parts before we start painting it. So we have the necessary material. We have the paint, a small quantity of paint that will be needed. We also have a painting brush here because we are going to do this manually. We are going to do the painting manually. Now the scraper and sandpapers are available. We are going to do the sandpaper now. So we're going to do the painting right now. We are using brown paint, wood polish, brown wood polish. So I'm going to start polishing the wood now. Here is the final cubicle, the final kitchen cupboard that has just been created. Kitchen, we made the kitchen from concrete, and then the wooden parts. We have the wooden parts right there. So the door was painted with wood paint, and that's what we have. You can see it right here in this direction. That's the cupboard that has just been made. So now the cupboard replaces the table that was initially here. You can see the cupboard. You can see the gas cooker on top. Cupboard serving as a platform. So the gas cooker was initially on the table. Right now we have the gas cooker on the new cupboard that was just made out of concrete. So it's a long process, but now it's completed. You can see it. So don't forget to like and share this video. You can check my channel for all the job that has been done to accomplish this, starting from the removing of the table, then erecting the blocks, plastering, concrete work to make the slab on top, then making frame and door and demarcation for the cupboard, and also the last stage, which was tiling. So you can check several videos that have been produced for that on the channel. Don't forget to like and share the video, and I will leave this link. I'm leaving a link at the description box of this video to help you to see the various jobs that have been done and watch the various videos concerning this cupboard that was made. I'll see you in my next project videos. Bye bye.